Hello everyone. Today I want to explain about the HookString Indicator. So you can go to the tradingview.com and search the HookString and then like the indicator. It then you can start using it. So what is the HookString? The HookString will help you to have an action for the trading strategy. It has in descriptions of each level. You can see there is a BRT area, which is a bullish target, and you have a BR area, which is a bullish resistance, and you have like a uptrend consoles. You have the flip trends, you have a downtrends, you have the bearish supports, you have the bearish resistance. So, uh, how to use it right now? Let me explain a bit. If the uh, market has a candle placed around uptrend console, that means the current market activity is going to uptrend market, is going to bullish. So what is the target? The target, they will retest the bullish resistance. Usually the bullish resistance at the first test will get rejections. If the first test rejections, it will goes down to the uptrend console. But if it get rebounds again, it will break up the bullish resistance and hit the bullish target. And that's that simple. So what about if the price drop to the flip trend? What is the flip trend? The flip trend is the area where indicates the market is on the bullish or uptrend or on the downtrend or bearish. If the candle is still above the flip trend, it is a bullish. So if the candle above the flip trend, it is a bullish. But if the candle below the flip trend, it is a bearish. If the market drops from the uptrend console below the flip trend area, and then they will have a sideway around the downtrend area, we have to be careful because the consolidations between the downtrend area, it will test the bearish support. Usually on the first test of bearish support, it will have rebounds. If the situation is very bearish, the rebound will very weak. So it will not have a big jump to the downtrend console, but maybe just a half of way, then it will reach the bearish target. So for the current situations, what we have done, we are in 30 minutes. We have to check the higher time frame. For the example, 2 hours. On the 2 hours is above the current console and close to bearish resistance. And the 4 hours is get rejected on the uptrend console. And also, I think the target on the bearish resistance. So I will do something like this. I will try to have a long on the flip trend area with the cut loss on the downtrend console with the higher line. With the target is the bullish resistance. So let's check with the lower time frame. So the lower time frame in 2 hours, it's a bit lower than the expectations. So in the lower time frame, the strategy will be like this. So I think that the entry in this line as the lower time frame. So and the more lower time frame in the 30 minutes. Okay, in the 30 minute also the same thing. It will have like uptrend consolidations. It will play around the uptrend consolidation and have chance to touch this flip trend. So we need another an indicator helper, which is a stochastic and the RSI. So you can search this indicator name as SoRSIS in the trading view, and you can install that. If you see right now in the 30 minutes, the stochastic with the ribbon indicator is going down, and also we have like a multiple lines here, which is a combination of some RSI. Let me zoom out for the moment. To using this is simple like a KDJ or maybe like MACD, but I use these combinations between stochastic and multiple RSI as a support and resistance. So if I if the stochastic can break down the RSI, that means the uh, the corrections will continue. So we can measure the distance is a big from the current positions to the oversold. So I was thinking that in the 30 minutes, if the next candle make the stochastic cross down the RSI, it will has a big drop. So I think this entry and this area is good around this area. But if the next 30 minutes it has invalid cross down or broken the RSI but rebound up like this, our entry can be cancelled and it will continue to bullish resistance. So we can play with the breakout validations. So the breakout validation is if the candle open above this uptrend console, maybe in this area or in this area, maybe in the 55,700 or above the 6,000, we can't do entry for long. It's a small profit, 1% only. But if you use leverage in the perpetual contract with a 3 leverage or 10 leverage, you can get 3 or up to 10% profit. Something like this we can use as the strategy. So we have a two strategy right now. We will enter long around the flip trend to the uptrend console or to the uh, bullish resistance, or we just wait the breakup. Okay, I think that as simple as easy to use this, um, because you don't need to draw resistance and support. You don't need to draw a Fibonacci because with this indicator, you can understand the positions. You can understand the current market. Is the market is bearish or the market is bullish? With the time frame 30 minutes and it's above the flip trend, this is the bullish market. Is the bullish fake or is the bullish real? You can see that it has already reached the uptrend console and close to the bearish support, the bullish resistance. So this is the real bullish actually. And with the real bullish, we can estimate the target will be achieved is around the bullish target, which is 58,000 or something like that. I think that's all. If you have a questions, please drop the question in my Telegram groups or in the YouTube channel. Mm, I hope you enjoy the indicator and good luck with the trading. Goodbye.